Samuel Berdmore, before 1693 24 March 1742 3, was an English clergyman. Berdmore was the fourth son of Edward Berdmore of Worcester. He was educated at Charterhouse School. He matriculated at Merton College, Oxford in 1693, and gained a BA in 1697, and in MA from King's College, Cambridge in 1706. He became Vicar of St. Mary's Church, Nottingham, in 1708, Prebendary of Southwell in 1713, Rector of Lambley, in 1714, of St. Edmund's Church, Holme Pierrepont, in 1719, of Cotgrave, Nottinghamshire, in 1722 and of Canon of York in 1735. He held several of these posts at the same time and was one-time chaplain to Evelyn Pierrepont, 1st Duke of Kingston-upon-Hull. Family. Berdmore married Martha Scrope on 8 July 1701 at St. Mary the Virgin, Aldermanbury, London. The license for this marriage was issued against the allegation of a Matthew Berdmore, undoubtedly the same Matthew, lacemaker, who married Isabella Mason at St. Nicholas Cole Abbey, London, in 1702, and whose son, Thomas, born c. 1704, matriculated at Lincoln College in 1722, and gained his MA 10 years later, and possibly the Matthew Berdmore, or his son, who with wife Mary had a daughter Mary baptized at South Morton, Berks, in 1679 and two Elizabeths baptized in London, one in 1681 and the second in 1686. Samuel and Martha had a number of children. Scrope Berdmore, born 1708, baptized at St. Mary's Church, Nottingham. Edward, c. 1710, baptized at St. Mary's Church, Nottingham. William, c. 1712, baptized at St. Mary's Church, Nottingham. Elizabeth, c. 1717, baptized at St. Mary's Church, Nottingham. Matthew, baptized at Totteridge 6 January 1704 and buried 4 days later. Martha, c. 1707, Lucy, c. 1712. Mary, c. 1714. It is possible that Berdmore married a second time, as there are a string of children of a Samuel and Elizabeth, possibly Nemanil, all baptized at Mansfield, Nottinghamshire, between 1723 and 1738. References